wait to show you this absolutely beautiful property in Woods Cove, 1812 Carmelita. This exceptional property was completely rebuilt in 2003 and offers such a rare combination of walkability to town and ocean views. The timeless modern design offers open floor plan with great lifestyle of indoor-outdoor with additional patios all around that expands your spaces. This great kitchen opens to a private barbecue that is built in and to a wonderful dining space with an ocean view terrace. The master suite have absolutely breathtaking ocean views, a steam shower, and a soaking tub. Can you envision yourself waking up to this view? Thank you for taking the tour here with me in 1812 Carmelita. Please call us for more information.